Hi, this is Christina Hills, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update your website to the latest version of WordPress. So in this example it's WordPress 5.9, but the process works for any version of WordPress. Okay, so I'm already logged in. That's why I can see the top toolbar. So you can click on this update link, update symbol. I can see there's 12 things to update, or I can go into the dashboard. Either way, you want to come to see there's a notice that the new version of WordPress is available. So I'm going to go to the Updates tab. This is the tab that I like to work at. Now, before you do an update, a major update, you should always do a backup. I've already done that, so I'm not going to include that in this video. So this is the process that I go through. First, I update the plugins, and you could do it one at a time, but I'm just going to select all the plugins and click on Update Plugins. And I'll just wait while it's doing the update. And I can see that it's working because in my browser it's got this little back and forth symbol. So I'll just be patient and wait. It's going to take a little bit of time because I had a lot of plugins to update. And I can see they've all been updated, and you could click on show details if you want, but I never really bother with that. Okay, so now it's down to 2. So notice I can click here for updates, or I can click here for updates. Either one, it's the same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and click and look what I have left to do. Now I've got themes to update and the WordPress version. So I generally like to, before I go to the next step, in case something went wrong, is to just click around on my site and make sure that everything is working well, and it looks like it's all working well. So I just kind of do a quick look around. I don't spend a lot of time on this. Alright, so let me go back. I'm using tabbed browsing. And the next thing I'm going to do is update WordPress. So this is the order I go in. I do plugins, then I have to update WordPress, and then I do themes. So I'm going to go ahead and update WordPress. And again, I'm waiting while it's doing its thinking. And depending upon your hosting, it could be faster or slower. Okay, so now it's been updated to WordPress 5.9. And again, I want to then look at my site, and I can just go back to the home page. So I'm just clicking around again. I've just updated the software, and I'm clicking around. Okay, my site is working. Back over to this tab, I'm going to look at updates again. Now sometimes after you update the main software, there are new plugins to update again. So in this instance, all my plugins are up to date. So I am now going to update my theme. I'll click Update Themes. Again, waiting. Just sitting here and waiting and let it do the update. So it will look blank while it's doing its update. So nothing has gone wrong. That's why looking in your browser to see that it's working is very helpful. Okay, so now I don't have any more updates. There's no symbol up there. There's no symbol over here. I can then in this other browser click around, make sure everything is working okay. And if you have a caching plugin, like in this instance I have WP Rocket, I'm just going to go ahead and clear out the cache. Now if you don't know what I'm talking about in terms of caching, don't worry about it. The purpose of this video is to teach you how to update to the latest version of WordPress. And you can always click on the upper left on the WordPress logo, click About WordPress, and then you can always see what version you have. Also, when you go to the dashboard, you can see at a glance what version of WordPress you have if you have the at a glance on. So you can make sure by clicking over here on the screen options that you have the at a glance. And these other things have to do with plugins that you have. So this little symbol here has to do with the plugin. What you're looking for is the updates symbol. So that's it. That's how you update your website to the latest version of WordPress. And in this video, it's 5.9. This is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop.